Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I like to keep everybody up to date with all the best bundles and sales and everything that you can find, because sometimes you don't have time to check out where the bundles exist. Now I've got two brand new bundles, which is one bundle on the Unity asset stock, which is called the 2026 must-have Megabundle, officially by Unity, and there is a 41 extreme environment and monster bundle, and that one's from Nature Manufacture. I'll go through both of these bundles and you can see if you want to get hold of them. So before I start, you can get the free asset for this week, which is the Ocean Toolkit, and you can use the code Gustav Olsen at checkout to get it absolutely free. And there's a new asset every single week, and I post about it every single Monday if you're interested. So this Extreme Environment and Monster Unity bundle, this is a 41, 22 and a 9 item bundle, and the 41 item bundle is about £26 or just over $30 for 41 different Unity assets, and I'll just run you through the ones that exist in this package so you can decide. So first of all, we have the River 3 River Auto material. So if you want to create rivers, lakes, seas, waterfalls, and it can even create things like roads, fences, cliffs, and other 3D models to be able to create things that are required. Got the Mountain Environment, which is one of the award-winning packs, which is 470 different environmental prefabs to create a mountain-based environment. One similar to that, another one which is hundreds of different assets in here to create a beautiful stylized forest. We've got the Modular Castle and Dungeon with over 1,300 different prefabs. We've got the Lava and Volcano Environment 2023 is another one, great one for caves, dungeon interiors, or lava rivers and lakes. We've got the entire meadow environment to create something with rolling hills, beautiful scenery, and all of the foliage included. Got the Ice World, which is a shader and textures pack with over 180 different ice materials to be able to create various things, whether you need rocks or frozen water. You've got World Streamer 2 if you've got an open world or a massive terrain, so you'll be able to stream that from disk so you can save on optimization. We've got the PBR Graveyard and Nature Set 2.0 with 350 different prefabs, which are the Realistic Minotaur, the Bats, the Jumper, the Treant Monster, Gargoyles, Fishman Monster, the Forest Warrior, the Weeper Horror Ghost, the Plant Monster, Dragon Skeleton, and then we've got a bunch of other environments, including the Autumn level with a massive layout for the terrain, the River Valley level, the Landscapes Ground Pack 3, the Ram River Auto River 2019 for a slightly older version. You've got the Lava and Volcano environment. We've got the Mountain Trees Dynamic Nature for some different trees, the Landscape Grounds Pack 2, the Demon Dog, Birdie, Mushroom Monsters, we've got the Slime character, we've got the Landscape Grounds Pack 1, Advanced Foliage 2, Advanced Rock Pack 2, the Park Photo Scanned Assets, Winter Ground Pack, Smoke and Fire Dynamic Nature, the Terrain Stitcher, Cobra Snake, the Golem's Cave Monster, and the Monster Creatures 2. And if we're looking at the 2026 must-have Unity Mega Bundle, this does have two tiers, one which is $10 or more, and the next one which is around $69 for all of the assets in here. So the first one does have 6 assets, and it's a total value of $180, and the next tier has 22 assets for that $69, but that's worth $1,100 if you wanted all these assets separately. Here's everything in the first $10 tier. So the first one is something called Toontown, which is a massive environment selection of different toon assets set in a giant city, whether that's low-style buildings, props, roads, cars, skyscrapers, everything you need to get this started. Then we've got the Obby Parkour Mega Pack, so it includes primitive shapes, different designs, and everything to create your own parkour or fun little stylized game with hundreds and hundreds of props in here. Then we've got the Simple Talent Tree UI, which is an entire node-based interface to creating skills and different things, whether you need this for driven with costs, player items, level tiers, and everything scales up to have built-in components to unlock those for your gameplay. We've got the Sci-Fi Low Poly Interior Bundle, so it's a 3-in-1 modular system for a station, a mess hall, and a laboratory with over 230 different assets to be able to create that cozy industrial style. We've got the Perks for Game Creator 2, so as long as you've got Game Creator, you can use this, so you can design perks, build UI trees, custom interactions and triggers, and there's loads of examples included. Then we've got the Unity Anime Visual Effects Pack, so this has things like key blasts, energy blasts, different spheres, punches, destructor discs, big bombs in a Dragon Ball Z style. Here's everything in the second $69 tier. So the first one in this pack is the Traversal Pro physics-based character controller. So this is a sandbox style controller with loads of physics-based interactions, whether you can fly around, jump around, create insane customizations to handle moving platforms, support, and have one click, and there's a full playground included to get this set up. The next one is the Harvest Garden, which is a bunch of stylized plants with over 500 different fruits, grains, bushes, and different flowers, with LODs for each mesh to create a realistic vegetation. The next one is the Lumen Stylized FX Light 2, where you can have customizable stylized flares, glow effects, and fake built-in lightings for real-time performances when you can have rays and different cool lighting. We have the Amior pack, which is a fantasy GUI. So this is everything that you can use to create a fantasy style games with customizable components, fantasy map elements, full source code with over 600 different PNG templates. We've got the Asset Inventory 4, so this allows you to find specific assets from any single place that you've purchased them from, just to make managing all the assets that you've got in a more refined and easy place. We've got the Terra Splines, so the Spline Terrain Editor. So this is a non-destructible spline-based editor extension, so you can sculpt landscape, create path, fill areas, paint textures, and even cut out holes using a spline-based workflow. And we've got the Screen Space Visual Effect, which is a set of status effects, buffs, debuffs, and mind statuses that you can collect, whether it's Fear, Blessed, Frozen. Next one is we've got the Realistic Blood FX. So this is a complete simulation for lifelike splatters, drips, sprays, and for anything where they need that for games, films, simulations, or more. Next one is the Micro Detail Terrain System. So if you want to generate realistic terrain micro details like stones, twigs, grass, leaves, and anything, we've got the Evolu Smoke FX. So this is a fake volumetric like smoke or fog system, which works in both URP and HDRP. Next one is the all-in-one shader nodes, which is 60 battle-tested shader graph and amplify effects, which include toon shaders, alpha effects, color effects, UV, vertex, depth, light models, specular models, and loads and loads and loads of effects within here. Next one, we have the neon interior props. So if you're looking to enhance a cyberpunk city, you've got over 2,100 different props, whether it's lighting props, machinery, buildings, little items, materials, barrels, sofas, everything. Next one is you've got something called Stylized Dungeons, which is 210 different unique detailed prefabs for a very particular stylized dungeon. We have Spline Maker Pro. So this is where you can have fences, pipes, paths, and even more, and you can generate this in a spline area. Next one is the Game UI and Puzzle Sound Effects pack with 900 different sound effects, stingers, and everything in between. We've got the Light Map Fusion Pro. So this is a tool which allows you to manage static light maps. Combining light maps, you can do that for skyboxes, fog, and reflection probes to make it more performant. We've got the City Characters Modular Animated Pack. So this has 300 3D characters of various ages, body types, skin tones, with over 1,100 different clothes assets, with a customization tool, movement controllers, animations. The next one is something called the Ultimate Mesh FX. So if you want some particles that attach to meshes to create enhancements like status effects, debuffs, elemental weapons, we've got something called the Cutscene Engine, where if you want an all-in-one solution for creating high-quality cinematics, you can do this on their customized timeline. So you can have pro-level camera work, you can have an impulse track, overlays. We've got the stylized weather system for URP, so you can add rain, snow, fog, wind, and any smooth transition between trigger zones and global fog integration. Then we've got the realistic water visual effects, so you can create simulations for anything like farming games or anywhere you'd want realistic water, things like ledges, ocean waves, and rain in here. And the last one in this one is the dynamic wind system. So this is a unified solution for the CPU and GPU to combine everything, whether that's things from shader graph, whether that's things from rigid bodies, audio, particle systems. They're all integrated in this wind system. Just to note that you can still get hold of the Spring Limited Time Megabundle, which is 30 packs. It's got 30 different Unity environments, and you can use the code SP60 to get 60% off if you want to get this entire bundle. So do check out these bundles, and make sure to let me know if you found them useful, and do be sure to go and check out my Patreon too. Do be sure to make sure you subscribe because it helps me out massively. And big thank you to Joe and everybody else who comes to watch the video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.